Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with a quick how to print out your side border and the pocket digital. I'm sorry, this is gonna bounce around. I have to hold it with my hand. So you want to open your Spring Blossoms Spring Basket Embroidery Kit. So we're going to open it, and now I've clicked on the basket. I'm going to go ahead and hit print. Okay. So I right clicked. Okay, go back. Sorry. We right click. So right click. And that opens this window. Okay. So then we're going to print. This is Windows 10. We're going to print, and it opens up your gallery page with this over here. We're going to go down for the 5 for the border. We want this contact print. Right here it asks you how many you want. We want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll wait for those to show up. And you see they line up and they're in the right configuration. And we're going to go ahead and print that. It'll take just a minute. I usually print from my living room, and I'm actually on my knees in my office. And the printer or the computer is on a TV tray at the moment. Okay, so this is going to come out right here. Okay, so you see how it is just like that, and it's facing up. Okay. Okay, so these are the baskets. I'm going to go ahead and open my paper holder. Take it just as it came out. Just exactly as it came out. And I'm going to put it back in. Okay, that was the little baskets. So for the next one, I want the heart. So I'm going to come over. Can't see. To the heart. I'm going to right click on the heart. I'm going to push print. Now I want 5 by 7. Okay? And I just want one, and I'm going to print it. Okay, and now we wait. So in the meantime, I went ahead and copied 6 of the wallet size, because I'm going to use those in some of my Easter projects. Okay, so there we have the heart, and you turn it over, and we have the basket on the other side. So this is how it works with my computer, and I was able to do it on one page. And it's possible that it might not work on yours, and you may have to do 2 separate papers and glue them together, but that's okay. It'll add a little bit of extra bulk. It'll actually make these pages stronger, which is fine. So that is how I did that one. Okay, now for the heart one, you would do it just the opposite. You would do the hearts, do the 5 on the contact, and then the large 5 by 7 of the basket. So next we are going to do right click, print, come over, and we are going to go to the wallet size. So this is the wallet size, and you see we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we're going to come over and we're going to print. Okay, and we're going to do one of these with the basket and one with the heart. So one with the basket and one with the heart. You're going to want one of each of these to be able to do the video that was displayed earlier today. I've had a couple people that have already had trouble with this, so I was like, okay, I'll try and do a video this way. Okay, so what we have then is, you can see it comes out upside, well, it's right side up or upside down. What we're going to do is we're just going to take that over. We're going to fold it over and make a pocket. So that is how you are going to want to do the copies or the prints of the embroidery part of the digital kit from the Spring Blossoms digital kit. It is still available in my Etsy shop. The whole kit is available in my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. So I hope this helps and it makes this a little easier. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. Have an amazing day. Bye.